Welcome again, boys and girls, to our 11 plus series on percentages. So we are on our third video. So today we're going to be covering decimals and fractions percentages, how to convert between the two of them. So let's jump straight to our whiteboard. So the first thing we're going to do is how to convert decimals and percentages. So this diagram is really important, so I need you to copy it down and memorize this diagram. If you want to convert decimals to percentage, it's really easy. You're here. So let's say you're here and you want to go decimals to percentage. All you got to do is times by 100. And if you want to go the other direction, so percentage to decimals, all you got to do, let's just do a different color, it's green. Get to here. Yeah, all you got to do is divide by 100. Divide by 100. Okay, let's see how this works in practice. So let's say you have 84%. 84% means it's a percentage. I need to follow the arrow from, I'm here, I need to go the other direction, the bottom arrow. That means I have to divide 84 by 100. So 84 divided by 100. How do I divide by 100? Well, remember if you did decimals, shortcuts, divided by 10, 100, 1,000, you move the decimal to the left, just like the arrow here, which is why I always use the moving the decimal rather than moving numbers as you do in school, because it helps with the percentages. So move the decimal to the left. How many times do you move to the left? Twice, because it says to move the decimal twice. So it's once, twice. So it's over there. So it's 0.84 is the answer. 0.84. Okay, and let's do another example. Let's say this time you had a decimal. So in decimal land, so 0.38. Now in decimal land means you have to go to percentage. To convert to percentage, you have to times by 100. And how do you times by 100? You move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Once, twice. So equals 38%. Okay, nice and easy. So that's decimals to percentage. Let's quickly move on to fractions and percentage. So again, if we move up, percentage, you're in percentage land and you want to move it to fractions, that's really easy. All you got to do is put it over 100. So 79%. How do I convert to a fraction? Well, put 79 over 100, and it's as simple as that. So that bit's easy, okay? But if you want to go to fractions and you want to convert it to percentage, you've got to put its equivalent bottom as 100. Okay. Or I'm going to make a more simple one. All you got to do is times it by 100 over 1. So let's say you've got a fraction, 3/4, and you want to change that to a percentage, just times it by 100 over 1. Okay. So that'd be 300 divided by, or let's simplify it. Let's simplify this. So let's simplify this. 125 and do 3 times 25, which is 75. If you didn't want to do the simplifying, you can do it at the end, but it's a bit more difficult. That's 300. 3 times 100, which is 300, divided by 4 times 1, which is 4, and then you have to do the long way. 300 divided by 4. How many 4s going to 30? 7, remainder 2, and how many 4s going to 20? 75. So you still get the same answer. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So put it a percentage over to fractions, put it over 100, and to find fractions to percentage, all you got to do is times it by 100 over 1. Times by 100. The book slightly is different. The book slightly. Let me just quickly go for the book, just in case you're interested. If you got 9 over 10, and you want to put it as a percentage, well, put 9 over 10 as equivalent fraction of over 100. To get to here, times by 10, times by 10, which is 90, which equals 90%. Okay, so we'll leave that there. And we'll come to the next video.